Hey everybody, it's Supercell EAS here, along with in my computer.
Your devious boy, the M12, who flexes his coverage of Imperial County.
And WR-100, who is flexing his big keyboard.
And today, we got ourselves a package in the mail. It is a weather radio inside a cardboard bag or box.
Cardboard bag.
A bag made of cardboard. Bruh.
Supercell bruh moment.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's gonna make it on YouTube. But anyways, let's open her up. I've moved the mailing information for security reasons, so let's dig in. Wow. Newspapers. The bag is covered in newspapers. Alright. Let's open her up. Here you are, you guys. This is brand new in box. What's this?
Is it the 167? Oh, it's the... I was wrong. It's the version 3, version 3, I think.
Yeah. This should be a version 3 box. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and
5 inside or something.
imagine if it's a version 5. That would be really awful. In fact, I got my older version 5 in this box, but the main text was red. So, it's like an older V5 box. But anyways, this is a V3 box, and we're going to go ahead and open it. Looks brand new in box. Let's take out the radio. So here are our contents. We have the owner's manual. Here's the radio itself, and I believe this is going to be our AC adapter. And I believe we got ourselves a version 3. Let's cut open this.
I keep forgetting that YouTube puts out a smaller video and
So yeah,
puts out like a smaller.
here's the radio for you right here.
Watching.
Alright, I think I may have picked myself up a V3. Take a look at this.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh yes, it is an actual.
Yeah, I think it might be a newer V3.
But because it's a public at the bottom instead of
It says hazard alert monitor.
Fuck.
It does say public alert, but yeah.
There's
Serial number.
Like, the only way to confirm if it's a version 3 is if you plug it in.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plug it in and see what we get.
And there are some versions that have public alert monitor instead of hazard alert monitor.
Oh, do they really? Huh. Well then. To hope this weather radio gets a lot of alerts, we are going to wish this radio good service in the upcoming years. We're gonna push all the buttons and flick all the switches.
Also, as Jack said, there's a monsoonal moisture expected early next week.
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's get the TFT decoding some more alerts then.
Alright, now we are going to go ahead and test it out.
Not only did SGX say that, but LOS said it, so let's see what happens.
Boy, we might see LOX in on the action.
Hopefully. Because these radios have not gone off for alert in months. Wait, no, just 1 month ago.
Here's your AC adapter. Never knew it looked this cool.
I don't know about if PSR might get in on the action. Maybe some alerts for Imperial County.
Alright. As I plug this in, we are going to go ahead and see if this weather radio turns on. In 3, 2, 1. version 3.
Hey, boy. Same version right here.
Nice.
It's a version 3.
All right. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the first type of Midland WR-100 where you could actually test its siren.
Yes, it is.
Alright, let's set the time. The current time is, let's see. It is 6:46 p.m.
Well, if you're looking at a 24-hour clock, 1846. At least according to my TFT.
Alright, so you said it's 6:46.
I really hate military time. It's very confusing for me.
Alarm, we do not need to set that.
Yep.
Channel.
We're southwest at 7 miles.
Alright, it's getting channel 1 pretty good. Same set,
Is it looking fresh?
any. Alert type, voice. Siren test. Light. We'll just leave it at normal. And yeah, we now have a set up version 3 WR-100. So I have an older version 5 and I have a version 3. So this is what it looks like.
I put in the chat.
Me flexing
Anyone
my
see
coverage
that
of
in the chat?
Imperial County be like... I wonder if everyone in this group has a version 3 WR-100 like I do.
I know I have a version 3.
I got one too. Now, yeah, now I have 2 WR-100s. We're just trying to get into some variety into the collection. But yeah, that is it for the Midland WR-100 version 3 unboxing. And here's the box it came with. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more awesome videos and subscribe to these lovely people right here.
Your local Imperial head at CM12.
So into
And your
Imperial County.
And your shitty neighbor EAS for 100.
Okay. Anyways, that is it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content. That's it.